Are you ready? Let's fight!
Nice, yeah.
Watch the right hand, circle right, hook of the right hand or right kick. Don't try to counter that, you're fine. Left hand up for the right hand. Level change, you're gonna knock his ass out right now. Hey, he has nothing for you. Watch the knees. Hey, watch the knees and tight hands and shit. Watch the knees, circle right. Circle right, you can catch one, we're gonna knock his ass out. Circle right, catch one. Watch the knees, circle, watch the right hand. Watch the right hand.
태클 조심하고.
Face, watch the right hand. Circle right, step right. Step right.
앞손 올려야 돼.
Circle. Come on, circle right.
다시 앞손.
That's the right hand, so we're gonna roll.
나이스.
Counter that.
야 왼발까지 가.
Hold the gap. Do what we do best
상대
after
뒷손
that. Don't
있으니까
stand
뒷손
there.
앞손
Just the
커버하면서
right hand. Circle right. It's just the right
아래쪽으로
hand.
앞으로 온다.
Keep stepping right now. You already got his eyes fucked up. Give me
야
some
상대
space.
앞손 뚝뚝 건드려줘야
Counter the right hand.
돼.
Keep counter that. Left hand high. And we're going to close the gap. Right here.
나이스.
Take it down.
Don't let him up. Drag him off the cage. Good.
Grab his post hand.
Let's push your hip higher. Look, we're gonna put the hook.
자
Yeah.
차분하게.
Go on the power halfway, then break his
Do not
spine.
let him get up.
그래.
Don't let him up. Don't let him up. Don't let him up. Handle the shoulder. You got this.
그래. 오케이.
Don't let him. Don't let him.
오른손 빼. 허리 잡아. 오른손 허리.
Change your
오케이.
Go. Now
Take him down again, Tyler.
Hip in. Lock the hands. We're gonna feel it.
오른손. 자 하체 들어올 거야. 오른손
Get
돌려서 빼.
around that
You
leg.
got this, Tyler. Come on. Let's
Get
put
around
him off the
that
cage
leg.
and trip him up.
Right there. Dump him
Okay.
backward.
Good.
자
let's put him
신돌이야.
up. Come on.
똑같이.
Left knee
Breathe.
head.
삼분전.
Left knee head.
Ankle pick right there. You get it. Body lock. Pull him
not
up.
let him off the
Body
hook.
lock.
다리가
Pull him
벌리고.
up. Body lock. All right, finish. Finish. Drag him off the
뒤로
cage.
돌리려 그런다.
Drag him off the
오른손
cage.
이거.
Yes, yes.
밀어.
Circle, ankle pick right there, bro. You got it. Now we gotta pull him off the cage. Okay, Tyler. Pull
him
him
off
up.
the
Yeah. Yeah, drag his ass out of there. Drag his ass out of there. I'm gonna put the right hook in.
Yeah.
Yes, right hook first.
Right hook.
Right hook. Take him down again. Go, come on.
Drag him down. Halfway.
Now again.
Halfway. Drag him down.
오케이
Do
좋아.
not let him trip on the leg.
Don't let her keep the pressure right there. Again.
Yes.
Hold,
Yes.
circle, nice.
Get that post on.
Again.
Keep working that
Same
trip.
thing. He doesn't like the body lock, okay? Let's hook the leg and do it again.
오른손
Same
팔라고
thing.
해봐.
Same thing.
왼손
Come
들고
on, Tyler,
오른손
again.
파.
Breathe.
Two
오케이.
minutes.
나이스.
Left hand up, circle right. Left hand up, circle right.
오른손
It's just the right hand and right kick. Circle right. We're gonna eat. Feint, dance for me. Dance
너가
for
먼저
me.
가야 돼.
Circle right.
성민아 지금.
Hands high. We're gonna return. Here comes the uppercut.
앞손도 있어. 너가
Get
앞손
to your back
있잖아.
foot. Right there.
나이스. 자
Back
뒷발도
foot.
살려봐.
Circle, dance.
너가 낮게
Don't let
쳐도
him
돼
get tough. He's gonna kick.
뒷발.
He's gonna kick. Circle. See? It's always a right hand. Left hand high.
자 오른손까지
Double
가.
jab, step right. Here comes the right uppercut again. Watch the right kick.
엉덩이 놓을 거야.
Trying to go kick.
So he step back, chop his leg.
We gotta pull. Yeah.
Hands up on those. Hands up.
Counter. Catch one right here.
기다리잖아. 먼저 들어가야지. 너무 기다린다.
Move.
나이스.
Hands up. No hands before the kick.
Return. Take with the right hand. Block. There you go.
Hands up. Hands up.
오른손 조심.
we're gonna roll out for our
오른손
cross and
확실.
take him
왼손
down.
커버 확실하고
Push his
오른손
ass
줘.
back again.
He's just throwing the right hand. Watch the kick. Here's the
No hands before kick.
바꾸면
circle
바로
right.
왼발
Circle
선대.
right. Get on your back foot. Here comes the kick again.
앞손
Left
안
hand high.
쓴다. 또 안 쓴다. 성민아.
Left hand high.
1분 전.
Yes, that's working.
Right there. Spinning angles.
나이스. 차분하게. 차분하게. 나이스.
Hands up.
Yes.
Hands up. Circle.
킥. 손을 머리 나이스.
Reach his ass.
Cross hook.
아, 바디 한번 때려.
Come on,
바디.
cross hook.
Breathe.
Cross hook first. We got it. Cross hook. Ready for the hook.
야 앞손 가드 확실히 하고.
Hands up. Don't stand up front of him.
Look, right there.
왼손 바디
Yes, come back with the hook. Right there. Hook.
다시
He's
왼쪽
there,
돌리고.
Travis.
30초 전.
30 seconds, champ. Come back with the hook. I
야
promise you.
뒷손만 조심하면 돼 성빈아.
Take his ass down.
그런
Another
거
round.
쳐주면 안 돼. 맞으면
Yes,
안
finish.
돼.
Feint, pull. Feint, pull.
20 seconds.
다리 더 빼.
Yes,
머리를
yes,
좀
yes.
나이스.
Don't let him get in the cage.
다리 일어나야 돼. 다리 차. 다리 차고 바로 일어나. 머리 들어. 오른손 머리 눌러.
Yeah, Sujan. Yeah.
10초 전.
Let's start tucking the knee right there on that triangle. Start arch right there.
Ready? Circle right.
You ready? Let's fight.
자, 더 활발하게 너가 먼저 들어가. 하나, 두 개까지 들어가야 돼.
High, step away from
자,
the
이제
power.
좀
Yeah.
튀으려고 한다. 봐봐. 한 번 주고 튀을 거야.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Move.
그렇지.
Come back with the hook off your ball.
볼때 태클
Right,
넣을
you're
거야.
okay. Keep circling right. Keep moving right. Don't be there for him.
자, 왼손만 더
Don't be
올려.
there. Get there. Yes, you see it?
또 박아줘야지. 나이스.
Right there, the
끝까지
hook there
오른발
again. Keep
끝까지
eyes on
가면
him.
돼.
You're good. Catch a return out there. Here, you
오른발
keep back
뒷발까지
down.
가면 돼.
Come lead hook. Level change hook cross. Level change hook cross. Hook, yes, yes, yes. Step right again, step right again. That's it. You gotta come forward and finish the cross.
나이스.
Remember. Circle right. Don't be there for him.
자, 앞으로
doing great.
그냥 안 맞아도 돼.
Good step and right. Left hand high. Left hand high. We're gonna catch a return.
너가 뒷발 낮게 차도 돼.
Singles there, bro.
앞으로 좀 낮게. 그렇지. 지금 네 발이다 지금.
Step right, step right.
찰나갈 수. 너가 거꾸로.
Doesn't like those, yeah.
Put the jab on that.
나이스. 야, 오른손 숙이면 치는 거 좋아. 아주 좋아.
All you gotta do is pull. Get your back foot. That's God.
너가 발까지 안
Keep the
가냐?
jab in his face. Keep the jab in after that.
발까지 가.
Keep poking. Keep poking after your combination. Keep stepping right. Here we go. Keep setting the right hand up again.
그리고
Left hand
앞으로
high.
다시 움직이고 더
Left
활발하게.
hand high. Keep working. Pressure. Pressure. Hook
Try to
up.
lift it
Hook.
up the feet down.
I want to hook cross off
계속
that.
네가 앞으로다. 네가
There,
먼저
see?
잡아라. 나이스.
Roll.
네가 먼저 와. 아주 좋다 지금. 너가 먼저 툭 던지는 게 다
Watch the
들어가.
uppercut. Step right. Just pull your right shoulder back.
하고
Here it comes. Pull
발까지
your right
가.
shoulder back. We hook.
낮은 것도 좋고
Here
중간도
it comes. We're gonna
좋아.
hook. Pull your shoulder back and hook. Big hook.
Don't sit in front of him. Let's circle. Don't sit in front of him. Straight angles. Face him face.
Yeah. Remember, it's gonna be there. Go
한문전.
right. Go right. Next.
몰았어. 아주 좋아. 앞선 계속 와. 네가 몰았는데 왜 공격을 안 하냐?
Yeah. Finish that.
네가 몰았으면 다 해야지.
You gotta
그렇지.
close the gap. Right?
바다치라고 하지 말고 너가 먼저
Yeah.
몰라.
Yeah.
그렇지.
Do what we do best at the end. Keep it straight.
자, 다시 앞선
The
주고
next one, go
뒷발
for a
차.
shot. Come on. You think you're gonna kick? Go for a nice
나이스.
right there. Come on.
우리 뒷발
Yes. You got this. Let's finish.
Finish it. Finish it. Keep it up. All right. All
다리
right.
더 빼야 돼.
Pull him off. Come on. You got the ankle peak right there. You can pull him off and do the body again like we
Lift
did.
that leg again.
Pull him off. Body lock. Let's finish.
Halfway step. Yeah. Took out of
Come
that.
on. Yeah, you got this, Tyler.
무릎. 사실 때.
Knee.
어이, 조심해.
Right, circle right. Here we go.
Right
조심하고.
there.
Counter with the
다시
cross.
몰아, 성민아.
Hook cross.
Next one, gonna
네가
come
보니까
to the
얘가 못
middle, okay?
들어오잖아.
He's counting. Catch one. After your right hand, you catch his counter.
돌아가야 돼.
1,
오케이,
2,
네가
catch
몰아.
one,
왼쪽으로
return.
돌아.
There it is. Kick the head off.
돌아가. 네가 이제 몰라. 네가 몰아. 오케이.
Right there. See?
더 활발하게
That ain't
움직여,
gonna hurt you at
네가.
all. We can check hook
지금
on
바로
that.
들어가, 지금.
trying to kick.
그렇지. 그거 해, 계속.
You know what to do to that weak
Throw
ass
hands
jab?
and keep chopping his legs. Come on. He's not liking those.
Hey, let's have some fun now, baby. Your feet.
Yes, I
Good.
can't look.
기다리니까
He
네가
doesn't like those.
들어왔잖아.
Good.
나이스.
Hands up. Get a cool
먼저
it up.
들어가야지,
Face it.
성민.
Straight right
먼저
hand down the
들어가.
middle.
앞선 던져. 안 맞아도 좋아.
Now finish that. Don't be there for him.
발까지
You're gonna-
가야지.
Keep, hey, you're winning this whole round. Keep beating his ass.
나이스.
Keep
다시
having
앞선
fun. Step
주고.
over.
좋아.
He can't hurt you. Keep
계속
stepping right.
잘한 거 있잖아.
Keep stepping right. He has nothing for you. Hook cross. Hook cross. Step in. Hook cross.
다시 앞선 주고.
Come on, he's scared.
기다리니까 맞는 거야.
Counter his right hand.
먼저
Catch,
들어가야
walk
돼.
one. There.
Yeah.
He don't want it, champ. Do it again. Straight right hand. He has
1번,
nothing for
1번.
you. Keep beating his ass.
지금 너가 몰았는데 너가 안 들어가서
See, right there. Come back right there. You return. That's right hand.
너무 아껴 성민아 지금.
Go to work. Don't wait. Go to
나이스.
work.
Back. Serve on it there. I don't want you back in the cage. Come on. Push him back in the cage.
1 minute. Keep beating his ass. You're winning both rounds. Keep going
Yeah,
forward.
yeah,
Yeah.
Let's get each other right
Yeah. Fake pull. Fake. There you go. Fake pull. Fake pull. Let's dance. Let's dance. There you go, baby. Looking beautiful. He can't hurt you.
너무
Yeah.
아껴.
Keep scoring points. Straight right hand.
그렇지.
Straight.
콩콩이
Return off
계속
that.
들어와.
Take down to the left hook.
30초.
In his cross.
얘 테이크다운 할 거야. 그것만 생각하고 펀치 날려. 맞아도 괜찮아 성민아.
Watch out.
그렇지.
Counter
그런 거
that.
아니야.
That's why we want to catch one. All right? Kick that leg.
He's open for it.
Counter catch one right here. Right
Up
up.
on the left hip. Hands up on the
끝까지 가야지. 왜 안 가? 발까지 가야지.
10 seconds, shot.
나이스.
That's down. Right here. Right here.
반대로 반대로 반대로.
drag his
당기면 안
ass
돼.
up. Let's hurt him a little bit and then the
상대
drop.
머리
Come
둘러.
on, drag him up. Remember?
You ready? You ready? Let's round. Go.
Keep stepping right. Keep stepping right. Keep dancing.
활발하게. 자, 먼저 앞으로.
Yeah, we have to be desperate now. We're winning this.
그렇지. 너가 먼저
Great, that
들어가.
hurt. Back to jabbing and punching first. That hurt. That's why he switched his stance. It hurt bad. Hit it. Go back to that, kicking that leg again. It hurt bad.
다시 킥을 거야.
Again, right now. That's right.
자, 무릎발까지 가. 나이스. 자, 너가 먼저 첫 번째 거는 다 들어가. 너가 먼저 들어가야 돼. 그렇지.
Jab, jab, jab. There you go. Jab, move your head and double again.
그렇지. 아! 훅으로 때려, 훅으로 돌아. 다리 빼. 다리 빼고. 끝까지. 들어와, 머리 빼고 때려. 빼고 때려.
Come on, Tyler. You dig down right now, Tyler.
나이스. 다리 빼. 사이드 써야 돼. 지금 기회야.
Don't let her go. Don't let her go. Get the fuck out of his leg. Don't let her go. Yes. Beat him up.
머리 눌러. 머리 눌러.
Mother power.
그래서 머리 눌러.
Don't let him out, Tyler.
Drag his back off the cage.
앞으로
Drag
들어가.
him. Yes, he's gonna get his back and he's gonna choke this motherfucker.
Don't punch
나
him.
다리 빼고.
Hook
다리
it.
빼고.
Take his back.
Tyler, right hook him. Move his ass up.
Don't let him off the hook, Tyler.
왼손 집어넣어. 왼손 집어넣어.
Yes. Again.
엉덩이
Get
빼,
the knee bar
엉덩이
here.
빼.
Knee bar here. Knee bar in from the top. Fast. Watch the triangle.
나왔어.
We're gonna get the half back.
Watch the triangle.
Hand pressure. Good job. Drop the
3
hand.
minutes. You stay on your side. Don't let him
일어나.
out.
완전 일어나. 엉덩이 깨. 계속
Look at
빼.
us fast right now. Look.
다리 밀어내. 성빈아.
Don't let him out. You got 3
You're
minutes.
gonna control the
일어나야
hand.
돼.
And you're gonna beat the shit out of him.
지금 일어나야지 네가 이겨.
Stay busy. Stay busy.
Control the hip. Follow his hip with your knee. He's open the body. You're gonna get the half.
Do
Okay?
not let him out. Make him
Give the
pay.
pressure.
Keep touching
Give
him.
the pressure. He's gonna go for triangle right there. Try to trap your wrist. No wrist control. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna
자,
control
손목 다
his side of the
밀고.
biceps right
Halfway.
there.
He's
밀고.
tired.
손 짚고 일어나.
Tyler,
무릎
inside
집어넣고.
thighs on the
앞에
biceps.
채우지 말고.
We're gonna
성빈아.
want some big shots.
앞에 채우면 안 돼.
Keep
지금.
breathing. Keep breathing, Tyler.
밀고
Stay busy.
일어나.
Stay
성빈아.
busy.
밀고
Keep
일어나.
touching, Tyler.
Yeah, half of the round right there, you know?
잡고
Don't
있으면
let him
상대가
out.
Yeah, half of the
치잖아.
round. Let's recover.
Yeah,
Good
keep working.
job.
Body, body, head.
좋아. 일어나. 차고 일어나. 차고 일어나. 차고 일어나. 차고 일어나. 차고 일어나.
Pass.
차고
Let's
일어나.
go.
차고 일어나.
Do not let him out.
Yes.
2 minutes.
오케이.
Don't let him out.
엉덩이 쭉 빼. 계속 빼. 계속 빼. 계속 빼.
Don't let him
계속 빼.
out.
계속 빼.
Go at the body. Drag his back. Pull him off. Pull him off and get him out. Go, we're gonna conquer him now. Tyler, drag him. Yes, perfect.
Yes.
Drop the knees up.
Fuck him up.
Beat the shit out this motherfucker.
Finish him.
누굴
Yes,
거야?
keep
going.
엉덩이 빼고 성빈. 일어나.
Good.
Finish.
He
He's gonna
quit.
give
He's
the
going.
back.
He quit.
움직이지 말고.
He's gonna give
상대
the
봐.
back.
Keep
Don't go for choking.
상대 봐.
Keep hitting him.
Keep hitting
다리
him.
풀렸어.
Keep
다리
hitting him.
풀렸어.
Hey.
다리부터 빼. 성빈아. 다리부터.
Keep hitting him.
오케이 좋아.
Get it, Tyler. Hip.
케이지
Squeeze your
정지해야 돼.
hip.
케이지.
Squeeze
케이지
your hip.
정지해야 돼. 성빈아.
Don't stop hitting him. He's gonna
Watch the
tap.
head.
1 minute. Keep hitting him.
1번.
He's ready to
Squeeze
quit.
the knees.
움직여야 돼. 지금
Squeeze
마지막
the knees
케이지.
like that.
Make him
Tyler.
quit.
Control the wrist. Don't
Yeah.
pass right there. Wrist
Yeah,
control.
stop the fight.
He ain't got shit right there on you. Wake him up.
Yes.
Keep hitting.
Yes, it's over.
계속 움직여야 된다. 마지막에
Yeah.
다리도 밀어.
Yeah.
Point your hip
Protect
tight. Bring the
yourself.
left knee
Protect
forward
yourself.
higher.
성빈아 계속
Protect
움직여.
yourself.
Come on, hit it
Protect
tight.
yourself.
Find one punch. Find one
yourself.
punch. He's gonna stop.
Keep hitting
Don't
him.
let him turn. Take his posture again. No.
Yeah,
Drop the
yeah.
wrist right there.
Keep hitting him.
Right there. Arch your hip with that. Don't let him up. Don't go for
45
too much.
seconds.
Hit it.
Keep moving.
Keep
Keep
that
moving.
hand.
Protect
Keep
yourself.
that hand trapped and keep beating his ass. Keep
집중
hitting him.
성빈.
You got this.
움직여.
30 seconds.
Come
Don't
on,
let
keep
him up.
hitting, Tyler. Hey, you got 30 seconds
Protect
left.
the
Don't
head.
let him up. Break that wrist again. Dump on his face. Yeah.
먹을 거야. 먹을 거야.
Doing great,
That
champ.
choke style, let's go. Hit him.
Yeah.
자 무릎 당겨. 무릎 당겨. 던져 잡고.
Come on,
던져.
take the back right there,
Take
Tyler.
the back.
Take the back and choke him right now. We got 20
자,
seconds.
아래 빼. 아래 빼.
Go for choke right now, Tyler. Go.
15 seconds.
성빈 오른발 잡고.
Punch, punch. Keep hitting. Yes, right there. Body, head, body, head, body again. Body. Yes, TKO here. TKO here. Unload everything now. Unload everything.
That's how you take down D, baby. That's how you take down D. That's right. Every fucking round.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored the bout 30-27 for your winner by unanimous decision and earning 3 points in the featherweight division, Tyler Damon!
Click below to subscribe and watch more MMA content.